Hi, for this one, I'm really excited because there is supposed to be a beautiful gift with my purchase. When you buy something around $100, you're supposed to get this wonderful gift. I saw at another YouTuber's video and I get the promo code and I ordered. Let's see, I'm hoping it's in there. And first time I'm opening this with you guys. Yeah, I'm so excited. I always get some perfumes and things Dior when I make order, but this is my second really cool gift it's gonna be. The other one I made a video. I'm gonna put it up here somewhere. So you guys go there, click and watch that one too. I'm talking about the exclusive loyalty program. I am silver and I didn't get my silver until today, so I get it and I wanted to share with you guys. It's there. We are also cooking channel and traveling channel. You guys want to support us, just subscribe and hit that button. When we make a movie you can see. Please subscribe and make some comments, nice comments. Dior is the best brand for packaging. The presentation is amazing. So these are like regular things you get it when you put your purchase. I get this time a serum for like small vacation size. You know, like really small. Like probably you can use 2-3 times. And this is super potent eye serum. And this beautiful cotton bag. They always come in this cotton bags, which I love. You can put your jewelry in it. Beautiful. I think this is okay. What I ordered, I ordered this face wash. I'm using a different one. I wanted to try this one, super potent cleanser. After I use, I can make a maybe video. If you guys interested, let me know down below. I can make a comparison with this one and other one. I like their face washes. Actually, they don't dry my face, and I actually have a dry face now. When you age, your face gets drier, so I like these. And last time when I made a purchase, I get a tester for this Dior Forever Skin Corrector. I really liked it a lot, so I tried it and I decided to get for myself the full size, and my tester was 1N. I ordered again 1N. It's small, but I don't make makeup too often. I make makeup rarely, so this is good enough for me. It's a corrector, it's not a foundation. Summer's coming. I'm gonna use like I actually use one brand's amazing sunscreen with colors. I should make a video about that too. Anyways, so this is this. I really like this one. The packaging is amazing. Dior is always impressive. Ooh. This is like for your under eye, around your nose, or wherever you need it, your skin to be corrected. It's like that. It's a little bit lighter than, looks like lighter than my skin. But corrector is supposed to be like that, right? I so like. Okay, it doesn't smell much, which is good. If you don't like smelly stuff, I'm excited about this. Let me open you guys this one too to see how it looks inside. It looks like that. The other one I'm using, I couldn't see at the website. It's bigger than this. This is a little smaller. So yeah, this one opens and closes like this. On and off. if you guys want me to make a video about it, let me know. Now, dun, 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 dun. Drum rolls. My first ever gift. Ooh. This is so pretty, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting it's gonna be that cool. It's for your phone. You know, you can put it on your phone, but I think you can use as a bracelet too. Oh, wow. This is really so special. This is really impressive. Dior, it's just really amazing. Look at this in here. It says CD. It says star. Little stars, bigger stars. It says Dior. This is seriously amazing. And these are like individually, you have like little clips. You can take it off, put it on somewhere else. Like you can make a necklace, you can put on an earring. It's too bad I'm allergic to earrings. I can't use earrings, but I don't know, you can use it for a lot of different purposes. I'll try to make it a bracelet from it. Let's see, how is it gonna work? I love it. I mean, I couldn't make it right now, but if you want it, you can turn into a little bracelet. It's beautiful. Or you can gift someone you really like, because this is beautiful. This is amazing. That's it for today, y'all. Please don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and the promo code for this one was text23. So I don't know if it's still available when you watch this video, but let me know if it works for you, because it worked for me and I learned from another YouTuber. Thank you, Trish. Beautiful.